Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Randy4short or Randy4short, and in today's video we are going to be creating a coffee tracker, specifically a coffee creamer tracker. So if you've been following me or at least have seen a couple of my planner setups, then you know that I've been meaning to recreate this, recreate my collections for quite a long time now. So I'm going to take that time to recreate this coffee one in this video. So basically I already drew this line just so, I can make this video go a tad bit quicker. So basically, we have a Keurig and we do make coffee at home in addition to buying the occasional Starbucks drink. So whenever we make coffee at home, we like to try different creamers. And if you make like your own coffee at home and you use creamers, then you already know that creamers are not created equal. Some of them are straight garbage. So I just like to make a note of that, and so I won't like repurchase it if it's like something that I haven't bought in a long time and I'm thinking I want to try it for the first time. When if I just look at this thing, then I'll remember that I've actually already tried it and it's a reason why I haven't bought it in a long time. So that's basically what we're doing here. So let me go ahead and I made this in Frixion Pen just so I can get it straight, but let me go ahead and mark this in an actual pen. Do you guys have to do this for your rulers when you like make a mark just so it doesn't like accidentally smear on the page? That's the one drawback to, I guess, this pen and ruler combo. This is my favorite pen, so I typically don't, I don't know why I just did that, but I typically don't use any other type of pen. So I don't know if all pens leave like that extra ink on the edge of your ruler. I've been wanting to try a metal ruler to see if that makes a difference, but I haven't invested in a metal ruler yet. So let's go ahead and draw this line. Okay. So what I'm going to put here is the rating, and it's going to be a 5-star rating, and I'm going to put my rating key down here. So this is going to be the brand name, and then this is going to be the flavor of the creamer. So I want to save the top part for last. I just want to draw it out so that, I have the bare bones together. I want to use this stencil. Well, actually, let me use this first. I barely ever use these stencils, so I was like, why not make this a fun little planner project? Trying to get it somewhat center. I feel real bold using a pen to do this, but we're just gonna go for it. Yep, already messed up. See if we can get that. Okay, so let that dry a little bit. Oh, actually I'm not done with this just yet. That should be good. And I want to use this stencil right here to kind of like draw a border around it. Kind of want to offset it a little bit. kind of messed up right there, but I'll fix that with a white pen in just a second. Okay, so now that I've made my rating key, I'll tell you what all of the ratings mean. So 1 star means gross, who made this? 2 stars means edible but wasn't worth the money. 3 stars is worth trying but won't buy again. 4 stars is good and worth the occasional buy. 5 stars is it is a staple product in this household. And typically, you know, when you run out of your staples, you got to re-up real quick. But yeah, we have a lot of creamers to try. So we'll probably, like, in this case, we'll rotate our staples. But it's good to know what is a staple product and what isn't, more importantly. So we're going to go ahead and write in a couple that we have tried. And the first one is going to be, and this is in no particular order. The first one is going to be a 2 star, which is the Coffee Mate Snickers flavor. I was so excited to try this, but it was such a letdown. I mean, again, it was edible, but it wasn't worth the money. Definitely not rebuying that. And you'll see that most of these creamers so far are just from Coffee Mate and International Delight, because they have so many flavors, and I feel like they're always coming out with new flavors that I want to get through the majority of those 2 brands before we venture into like smaller brands that have more of a limited selection. So 5 star, which is a staple product, it's International Delight. And it's their Cold Stone Sweet Cream flavor. That one right there, yes, it just goes good with the coffee, any type of coffee that we use. But the coffee that I'm comparing, like, we use the same type of coffee in our Keurig to make sure that, you know, it's not like we're judging against a constant. So it's not like, oh, this creamer goes best with this brand of coffee, and then it doesn't go as good with this brand of coffee. So we just trying like one coffee, and we're using the Donut Shop. I want to say the regular Donut Shop. I haven't made like homemade coffee in a little bit now. So I kind of can't remember what it is, but I'm pretty sure it's the Donut Shop regular. So another one, I'm not going to write out all these on camera, but just to show you kind of like how I'm going to use this. So the International Delight Oreo flavor was a 4 star rating. So yeah, I'm going to stop there as far as like transferring these over. I'll do the rest off camera, but I basically just wrote in some ones that I want to try. This hazelnut, sis, that's a 5. I can't really remember the Cinnabon. I want to say the Cinnabon is like a 3 or a 4. it's one of those. And then the caramel macchiato, I want to say is a 4. We haven't tried the peppermint mocha. And then the Hershey's chocolate caramel, I can't remember, and that's probably like a 3 if I can't remember. You know, if it doesn't have any kind of lasting impression, how good was it really? So now for the part that you probably all have been waiting for is what stickers am I going to use and how am I going to make this pretty? Because right now it is not cute. So I think what I'm going to do is use some alphas to spell out coffee. And I kind of want to, I pulled this is my sticker planner, and I pulled stickers that basically I use pretty often. So these are all from my bright and my bright pastel sticker capsule collections. So yeah, there's nothing from like my neutral pastel or my jewel tone collections. So I want to pull some stickers that match with these stickers. Let's see. There's a lot of like pink going on, so let's see. I could use these. These are pretty fun. And then I could use like all of these stickers and like this pink one and then these pink ones. And then I could also use some purple as well. So I think I'm gonna use these stickers, and plus they have like a pink foil on them as well. So yeah, let's just use these ones. Okay, so this little technique, I think planning with Bumble here on YouTube is where I got this technique from. And she put all the stickers on a ruler just to kind of like help you put them on straight. So I thought that was a neat little trick. So whenever I need to do something like this, I'll break it out. So I'm trying to get it to kind of like line up. And then you hold all the stickers and you just kind of like flip your ruler like, oh crap, that was a terrible demonstration. Terrible. Well, so much for that, but you guys got the gist of how it was supposed to go. Where are my tweezers? Okay, so that was a definite planner fail, but tweezers to the rescue. Okay, so that's more or less what it's going to be. And let's see. All of these stickers are clear, then these are paperbacks. I do want to use these yellows. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm just going to put them randomly along the page. So I want one copy over here. So when I run out of space up here, I'm just gonna flip it over onto the back and just continue it. So I'll like wipe this out and basically continue this design onto the back. And I probably will do like a different color just to switch it up. So yeah, I think it came out pretty cute. It's functional, it's cute, and I definitely don't mind looking at it. So again, the reason why I basically just went from a half sheet to a full sheet because I use a classic size happy planner and I have a couple of pages of these half sheet trackers. So I just wanted to make them full sheet so I wouldn't have like that bulge in my planners. But to each his own. This half sheet definitely was functional and worked, so I just wanted to be extra and make this. So let me know down in the comments if you guys have any trackers like this or what exactly are you tracking, because I don't use habit tracker kind of trackers, but when I do trackers, I do things like this. So let me know down in the comments, give me some more ideas for some kind of like trackers to make and things like that. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to help me get to 1,000 subscribers, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.